Clearwater Beach.
Clearwater Beach.
Yeah, we're going to the bridge from like the mainland to Clearwater Beach. It's a tourist spot. You can see all the water here.
Hello.
There's a lot of islands. You can walk back there. There's the Clearwater Library. On the bottom of the Clearwater Library, you can take a boat. And the boat will take you down to this area, which sometimes is better because sometimes it's really crowded here, and it's just easier to go back and forth with the boat. So this is a causeway going to Clearwater Beach. That's all the information I have right now. Yeah, this is really a tour.
Clearwater Beach. That is the Clearwater Beach. Oh wow. Wala na sila. Bagan sila palm trees diri guys.
Hooters!
Hooters. Ah, the one that you told me about.
Yeah.
The story behind about Hooters.
And I see it. That's the Calypso.
Calypso?
The Calypso. Oh wow! Look at these big mounds. I guess they're closed here. But Calypso Queen. That's up. I guess I could ask. I could try asking Ace if they're doing anything. There's a. I wonder if the boat's back in there. I guess the beach is closed because they had allowed so much erosion from the hurricane. I'm gonna do a U-turn here. Or actually, down here, there's some McDonald's here somewhere. Down here, over there. Let's go to McDonald's.
Clearwater Beach.
Turn right. I wonder if they're closed though. Because they're right on the water.
That's nice.
Turn right on 5th Street.
Here's a different McDonald's.
Turn right.
So guys, bago pa lang na sila nagka-hurricane there is mo na second one. Si dagan kay mga bed or mga buildings na nasa gawas. Daot na siya sa pangabay na lang nila ilang bed and other furnitures na daot sa hurricane.
In 1,000 feet,
Ay,
turn left. Then turn left.
Kaan siya. Wala ko. Sa ano eh?
Well, there's this golf course. See this miniature golf?
Oh yeah.
pirate themed golf course. Mini golf. I don't know where. Well, we're leaving Clearwater Beach.
The damage ng mga furnitures. Grabe yun ka.
Huh?
Does the hurricane really,
Looks so messy. Look at all this stuff.
Turn right on South Gulfview Boulevard.
See, guys, this is America. We're very messy here. I'm just kidding. After a hurricane.
Yeah, after hurricane, ganyan tsura sa ilang city.
And they had so many items so underwater, so they gotta throw it out now.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right.
What is that?
Stay to the left.
I think there's a... What is that?
So I was making it worse because there's no room there really. Just off to the side. Let's just go there and see if
Turn right. Then turn left.